Yeah. Hey, Mudge. What's that? Hi, buddy. You're a good boy. Yeah. It's probably from being here that he doesn't know what the hell's going on. Mudge. Mudge. Get a bone? Yeah. Go play with my boy. He's doing the same thing though. I think he's adorable. He's a sweet boy, huh? Mudge!